Quick question. How much time do you spend every single week just trying to keep up with content? Finding trending topics, writing scripts, making videos, editing, publishing, checking analytics, and then doing it all over again? If you're a content creator, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's exhausting, and honestly, most of us are spending more time managing content than actually growing our channels. But today, I want to show you something that genuinely blew my mind. It's called Magic Claw, and it's basically like having a full content team working for you 24/7, powered by AI. So, let's dive in. So first, let me quickly explain what Magic Claw actually is, because it's a little different from your typical AI video tool. Magic Claw is built on top of OpenClaw, which is a multi-agent AI framework. Think of it like this. Imagine you had a team of specialists. One person is always watching what's trending. Another one is writing and producing your videos. A third one is handling publishing and scheduling. And a fourth one is analyzing your performance data and figuring out how to make your next video even better. That's exactly what Magic Claw does, except it's all AI, it never sleeps, and it works at a fraction of the cost. MagicLight.ai calls it an AI content operator, and honestly, that's the perfect way to describe it. It takes you from idea to video to publishing to optimization, fully automatically. Alright, let's jump into the platform. So you're going to head over to MagicLight.ai. I'll drop the link in the description below, and once you're logged in, your interface will be like this. This is all the Magic Light AI tools and features. You can turn your idea, script, or story into a video with these tools. I already made videos on these tools. However, today, I will talk about only the Magic Claw feature. Now, when you first open Magic Claw, this is what you'll see. You've got a clean chat interface, kind of like a messaging app, and this is where all the magic happens. You literally just type what you want, and Magic Claw gets to work. Over here, you can see the connected platforms: YouTube, Instagram, X, and TikTok. Now, I want to be upfront with you. Right now, YouTube is the fully live and working integration. The other platforms are still being rolled out, so we're going to focus on YouTube today, which honestly is where most of us want to grow anyway. Okay, so let's start with the very first step of the content workflow: finding what's trending. I'm going to type, "What are the YouTube trending videos now?" and watch what happens. See that? Magic Claw scans across multiple platforms in real time and pulls up the trending topics that are actually getting traction right now. And here it is. After analyzing my content in YouTube, it comes with 3 ideas. Now you can select any of them and see the details of the video. After reviewing the ideas, I found this one is perfect for me, and I am going to create a similar video. So I am coming back to the chat box and typing, "Now, create a similar video like," and then entering the video idea. You can change the LLM model from here. I am selecting the Gemini 3.1 Pro model for a better result. Once you hit the send button, Magic Claw will analyze the request and create a new video plan. And here you can see the video plan. It comes with the story idea and characters. If you don't like the idea, you can ask to modify it. However, after reading this idea, I found it interesting. Now, we have to set some settings here. First, select the video style. You will find a bunch of options. Let's say I want to create a cartoon video, so I am selecting the 3D cartoon style. Next, set the video generator model. You will find almost all the popular models here. Use whatever model you want to use. Next, set the video language, and in the end, set the aspect ratio. Once everything is set, hit the next button. Now, Magic Claw will start creating the video. It's not just generating a random video. It's creating content that's specifically tailored to the trending topic in the right style, with the right format for YouTube. And behind the scenes, it's building out the script, breaking it into scenes, generating the visuals, all automatically. And here it is, the video is ready.
The alarm blared at 6 in the morning, sparking a wave of excitement. Sarah and Mark zipped their suitcases, ready for the ultimate New York City adventure. Suddenly, the metal doors slammed shut with a heavy thud. Mark was left standing on the platform. Sarah gasped as the train pulled away, trapped with 2 crying children. Minutes turned into a grueling eternity.
This is really amazing. Now, if you find any issues, you can edit the video. So, click on the Edit Video. This is the Magic Claw video preview. Now, click on the Edit button to edit the video. And here it is. Now, we are in the video editor interface. You can review all the scenes and make adjustments. you can regenerate the scene with Image Generator. Once the image is ready, you can animate the video with an AI video generator like this. In this method, review all the scenes and make adjustments. Once done, click on the Next button. On this page, you can adjust the subtitle. Once done, click on the Next button, and then set all the settings, and then click here. Now it will combine all the videos and make a new video. Okay, our video is ready. Now you can publish the video directly from here. You can see that Magic Claw has already created a title, summary, and a thumbnail. That's amazing. Now just click on the Publish to YouTube button to publish the video. Now you will find all the settings here, you just have to set them perfectly. Once done, click here to publish the video. Okay, now our video is in the process of being published on the channel. At this time, you can click on the Analysis button here to analyze the channel. This is our channel analytics. You can see all the information here. In the Video tab, you will find all the video content published on your channel. Here, you can see that our video is now published. You can click on any video to see the video analytics and can even watch on YouTube from here. And in the Diagnostics tab, you will find a comprehensive diagnostics result of your channel. This is really amazing. We have everything right at our hand, and all of this under a single umbrella. That's not just content creation, that's building a content machine. And for anyone who's been struggling to stay consistent or scale their channel, this feature alone is going to be a total game changer. Keep an eye out for when this fully launches. Now before I wrap up, let me quickly run through some of the other things you can do with magiclight.ai, because Magic Claw is just one part of a much bigger platform. You've got story to video, where you turn a simple idea into a full script and animated video automatically. Kids story video. This one is incredible. You can create children's story videos up to 50 minutes long with a single click. You can even create religious story content. And across all of these, you're getting access to the best AI models available right now. Seedance 2.0, Gemini 3.0, Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 2.1 Master, and Hilo 2.3. Plus, the Nano Banana feature for refining your visuals right in the storyboard. It's genuinely one of the most complete AI video platforms I've come across. Alright, so to wrap this up, if you're a content creator who's tired of the grind, or you're just getting started and you want to build a channel without burning yourself out, Magic Claw is genuinely worth checking out. The link to try it out is in the description below, and there's a free plan to get you started so you can explore the platform before committing to anything. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And if you want to see more tutorials on AI tools for creators, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.